Want to know electromagnetic waves? If not, too bad! What they are, in a nutshell, is a method of transmitting energy through a vacuum or without a medium like air or water.
These waves are caused by the oscillation of magnetic and electric fields, which oscillate perpendicularly. See?
That's the reason behind their naming, yeah? And as a note, the direction of energy flow is perpendicular to both fields.
EM waves are transverse waves because they oscillate perpendicularly to the direction of energy flow. They aren't longitudinal waves, which oscillate parallel to the direction of energy flow. And they all travel at the same speed, which would be
300 million meters per second!
Yeah, maybe this would be easier to remember. It's a constant represented by the symbol c.
And that's only in a vacuum. In other materials, the speed changes, but that's not important.
Yes, that's important!
But we're not covering that! Anyway, their speed and frequency are unrelated. The frequency is determined by the frequency the electrons oscillate at.
Not just electrons causing the field.
Same thing!
No, they're not. Anyway, EM waves are arranged by their frequency and wavelength on the EM spectrum.
Which looks like this!
The equation for the speed of a wave is v equals f lambda, so in the case of EM waves, which have the same speed in a vacuum, the higher a wave's frequency is, the shorter its wavelength, and the lower its frequency, the longer its wavelength.
So the lower frequencies and longer wavelengths go at one end of the spectrum, and high frequency, short wavelength waves go at the other end.
Yeah. Radio waves are the longest waves, while gamma rays are the shortest. Visible light is a really tiny piece between ultraviolet and infrared.
The difference between their wavelengths is less than 200 nanometers. That's 0.000002 meters, and that's really small.
And, I think that's everything.
No! I need to think of a really terrible joke first! Ooh, what do physicists love to do when they go to sports games?
Oh god, don't start.
The wave!
That was terrible.
What's a light year?
Nicole, stop.
1/3 less calories than a regular year.
Please.
If sound doesn't travel in a vacuum, then why is a vacuum so noisy?
That joke isn't even about the right kind of wave.
I don't care.